Hey, what's going on? Antonio X Carter here. We're talking about Commission Hero here, okay? I've reviewed this thing, all right? And you're talking to somebody who does things with Facebook ads, Bing ads, free marketing, affiliate marketing, all this. I've seen it all. I've done it all. Is this the real deal? Can you really make $1,000 per day with this product, with this program, this video course, whatever you want to call it? Stay tuned because I'm going to give you everything, good, the bad, the ugly, all that stuff. See you in a second. What is going on? Welcome back. I hope you like that intro. It wasn't really all that, but gotta make it. I gotta please the audience. I gotta please the crowd. Antonio X Carter here, affiliate marketing coach and all things internet marketing related. Anything that involves making money online, I'm here. I'm your guy. All right. So look, let's cut the stuff. Right. Just really want to jump into it. And so I've been seeing a whole bunch of ads specifically on YouTube regarding this guy, Robby Blanchard. Okay, hopefully I'm pronouncing his name correctly. And he's promoting this course called Commission Hero off of ClickBank. All right, I make a lot of money off of ClickBank products specifically, but I'm not at $1,000 per day. So, is it possible? I'm about to release all the details and stuff of his course and stuff. That way you can make the right decision if you're actually looking at investing into his program. But before I do that, please go ahead, hit the subscribe button down below. Give me a thumbs up on the video. And also, as I'm dropping these knowledge bombs, please go ahead and drop me some comments down below as well. Check out my links in the description because I have a whole bunch of free stuff for you guys. And I like to stay in touch with my people, okay? So now, the moment you've all been waiting for. Okay, so this guy, he's the number one, I guess you could say, money maker, seller, whatever it is on ClickBank, okay? He knows what he's talking about. He can't make these claims and not be the man with the plan, or else it would be illegal. ClickBank could go after him. It just wouldn't really be a good look for him to call himself the number one person in the world, the number one affiliate in the world on clickbank.com. Okay, so if you don't know what ClickBank is, it's an affiliate platform. Millions and millions and millions of dollars are made on that website every month. Okay, and so as an affiliate marketer such as myself, my job is to siphon as much money as I can from that platform. Okay, all the money's being made. Why can't I have a piece of the pie? All right, and so this guy comes out with a product called Commission Hero. And he claims that you can make $1,000 per day. That is an insane amount of money. Okay, I know what it is to make $1,000 in a week, 2 weeks, a month, but $1,000 in a day, multiple times, right? I've made $1,000 in a day, but to do it throughout the whole week, I have yet to do that. Okay, I will raise my hand and I will tell you that has not honestly happened to me yet. But it's on its way because I also have expertise in Facebook ads and also Bing ads. Okay, a lot of these same principles that I'm about to go over is exactly the same thing that you can do with Bing ads and ClickBank. However, I just haven't really made it to that point, honestly, because that has not been my focus at this moment. But Robby talks about doing this with a 3-step method. Maybe his 3 proven steps of getting the results is really what he calls it. But what are these 3 proven steps, or the 3 proven formula thingamajig, or whatever it is? It is finding a good offer, which is profitable on ClickBank. He's talking about point number 2 is having a solid landing page. Okay, and with the landing page software, he uses ClickFunnels, or he promotes ClickFunnels. And then he uses Facebook ads to drive the traffic to that funnel in order to sell the product. Okay. In his whole thing, he's not talking about email marketing. I do email marketing. I teach that, but he does not. He's talking about going straight for the gusto, straight for the results and the money, not worried about collecting emails and following up later, which is the whole point of affiliate marketing. I might add. So if that interests you, that's phenomenal. So now let's go ahead and get into this little 3-step formula real quick. All right, finding an offer on ClickBank. There's plenty of awesome products on there, but most importantly, you want to find some high ticket items, okay? And then also with the lower ticket products, they're good, right? But then some of them don't really give you much of commission so that you could really expound upon those results. Well, with Robby's system, he actually leverages his relationships so that you can get higher commission on these products. And then with his little 3-step system, driving traffic using Facebook ads, which we're going to get into that here shortly, he drives the traffic over to the landing page created by ClickFunnels. Well, the platform is ClickFunnels, and he shows you how to use that as well. Now, what's the tricky part? Okay. The tricky part is really finding a product that is going to work for you in your system, because you're going to have to choose how you want to sell things. You're going to have to choose products yourself. And so finding something that is working, that is selling at the moment, and then scaling that. Okay, that's the tough part, because he talks about spending at least $20 per day in order to test things out and get these results. Obviously, he knows what's best because he's done it all the time. But when you have somebody who has limited or restrictive funds, everybody doesn't have millions of dollars to spend, especially in today's times. Okay, you're talking if somebody has $1,000 to spend and they're spending $20 a day. Oh, you're just chomping at the bit at every single result that comes and you're hoping that you're figuring it out, which may not necessarily be the case. What if you have to spend $2,000 in order to figure out the system, figure out what product is working best for you and your audience? You may have to do that, but $20 a day, that's what he's saying. Test it out. And that's where we get into Facebook ads. As somebody who's a Facebook ad specialist and myself, I know you are not guaranteed the results. Somebody can give you the blueprint. It may not work as well as that previous person. Okay. Because the algorithm's weird. I don't know. You talk to anybody about Facebook ads, it's always changing. Okay. So you're going to have to put some money up front in order to make money. If you don't have any money to put up front, this may not be the system for you. Okay. I highly, highly, highly recommend that you have some money, probably $1,000 to $2,000, that you could just blow through. Let's say you don't make a sale technically. That probably is not the case. You should make a sale spending that much money. But theoretically, what if you have to spend $1,000 to $2,000 in order for things to just start going, for you to really find that gear so that you can start making the sales and really start hitting your $1,000 per day? Some days you may even break even. You won't profit anything. Okay. And so that's what the system really goes through. It coaches you through that, but you have to be willing and able to continue to persist and go through some of these hard times for some people. And eventually you will profit. Okay. With what he's teaching and everything, like I said, it's the same thing with Bing ads. It's no different. Okay. No different at all. Bing ads, I think, is probably a little bit more difficult, being that the testing and whatnot, getting the results. Facebook is very much more laser targeted, but you're also talking to somebody who's been doing Facebook ads for quite some time. So the system works. Okay. The 3-step proven system, whatever words you want to use, the formula, it works, but you're going to spend some money and you're going to test. But when you get the results and your bars begin to show within ClickBank, that's where the fun starts. Now, that brings me to my other point, that this is only for ClickBank. Okay. It's not for JVZoo, Warrior Forum, or any of those other affiliate platforms that are out there. Is this negative? Not necessarily. John Crestani has a very similar program, which I do have. It's called the Super Affiliate System. I think that's what it's called, Super Affiliate something. And he teaches the same thing for the most part, but across all platforms. Taboola, YouTube ads, I believe Yahoo ads, like everything, right? Native ads, the media buying stuff, right? John Crestani really did his thing with that product. But I will also say, in comparison to this one, With Commission Hero, he's specifically sticking to one thing. That way you don't have to pick and choose what platform to use, and you will get the results faster. Okay. You will not be distracted by all these different possible things that you can do. Okay. And that's what I really appreciate about this specific program. So would I actually recommend this product? I would give it 2 thumbs up, because this guy's the real deal. Do some research on him. You can't just go out there and start throwing out that you're the #1 affiliate and not have any repercussions. Okay. And you're making money and your product's on ClickBank saying that. Okay. This guy's the real deal. The program is the real deal, but you do have to put in work. This is not a magic trick. This isn't something that you could just flip on like a switch and it's going to work for you. You're going to have to do a little bit of homework. Okay. And then you're going to have to test, but you will get results if you stick to it. Okay. If you're interested in this product and you have not watched the webinar, he has a webinar. I provide the link for you below. And if you're interested in just purchasing it, I have an affiliate link down below to where you could just go to the cart and purchase it. Why purchase it through my affiliate link? Because I am giving away some bonuses if you decide to do so. That's a way of me telling you thank you. And so I have 3 cool things for you. I got $2,000 worth of bonuses for you. One of those bonuses is my affiliate marketing course, which I charge a couple of bucks per month. I'll give you lifetime access to that, where I go through a plethora of different methods to make money online. Every single thing that I teach are things that I've done. Okay. I've probably made at least $1,000 doing whatever method I've done. Okay. I'm pretty successful. I can make these claims because I've made the money. And I'm also giving you my YouTube course. My YouTube course allows you to grow your YouTube channel, grow your authority, and make money as well. I do show affiliate marketing in there. I touch on a couple of things as well, but I will also throw in my upsell of that course called 6-Figure YouTuber, which is what all of the popular individuals are doing. I expose their techniques and I show you how to make 6 figures on YouTube. I will also throw in my virtual summit that I did last year at the tail end of last year. It was phenomenal. Okay. Absolutely phenomenal. I had the chance to interview like some 30 something odd people, probably a little bit more. I forgot how many people I interviewed, but every single person that I interviewed made 6 figures. Some made 7 figures. Some made 8 figures. You're learning from professional individuals, right? You don't have to go to college to get this type of information. They don't even teach this type of stuff in college. And you are getting it straight from the individual who has made the money. And then I have an advanced session as well. And so typically within the advanced session, they go deeper into what they were teaching on their free session. And in order to get access to that, most people have to pay $1,000 alone. And that's for every single speaker who spoke within my virtual summit. So this is over $2,000 worth of stuff that I'm going to give over to you. Lifetime access to it all. Watch it as many times as you want to. Implement the trainings. I'm giving you all types of stuff to revolutionize your business for this year, 2020. All you got to do is click the link below. Click my affiliate link down below. I do get paid. I do get a small little percentage if you decide to make that purchase, which is why I'm giving you the bonuses. If you got any questions, let me know in the comments as well. Once you make that purchase, let me know in the comments and I will get back at you so I can deliver those bonuses to you. Okay. I'm in here with you guys. All right. If I recommend it, it's legit, but everything has pros and cons. Okay. So hopefully this video has helped you with your decision if you're looking into Commission Hero. Until then, hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up. Drop me some comments. Let me know how you like this video. If you didn't like this video, drop that in the comments as well. But if you want to learn more making money online tips later on, you need to stick to this channel. See you guys soon.